Assalamualaikum. My name is Ilyani Izzati Binta Abdul Halim. My metric number is 13DDT20F2028. Today, I want to present our mini project 2, which is titled Vehicle Entry and Exit Verification. In every campus, the rules and regulations have been designed to control the traffic movement and parking for students and staff utilizing the parking slot, roads and ways at the campus. However, the security guards may not complete their work in a short time due to most of the work are performed manually rather than automatically. Since the security guards allows the vehicle to enter campus is based on car sticker. Therefore, it might mistakenly allow a car with illegal car sticker to enter campus. The vehicle entry and exit verification system is designed to facilitate all users and ensure the safety of all parties involved. Users only need to scan the student or staff ID card to get their information. The first problem is for students who have a valid car sticker to park their car. Campus students are required to spend more time to find out the available parking space to park the car in the parking zone before attending any class. Moreover, it may cause the student to be late attending classes or exam due to parking problems. Therefore, some of the students will feel it isn't not fair for them to buy sticker, but it still takes a lot of time work. In addition, sometimes the security guards will also use the walkie-talkie to ask other staff to help their identify cars using valid or fake car sticker on campus. However, it is very time consuming for security guards or staff to check car sticker manually due to many students parking their cars on campus. The implementation of this vehicle entry and exit verification system will help users such as staff and students and security guards to achieve the objective of students. Security guards can detect the number of vehicles entering and exiting. For students who have a valid car sticker to park on campus, there is no need to waste time looking for available parking to park in the parking zone before attending any class. This system has made it easier for security guards to detect the use of illegal car stickers to enter the campus. For example, design a QR code for each vehicle's sticker which will contain the information of the car plate. Besides that, they will increase the work performance of the security guard to all staff due to the faster response of the application. Also, the website will provide flexible ways for the security guard or staff to enter the car plate number such can scan car plate number and enter manually. The scope of this system is focused on two sectors, which are the user sectors and the system sectors, where the user sectors includes staff and students. In addition, focus on security guards to know how often vehicles come and go each day. With the verification of the system, we can store and record the frequency data of vehicle entry and exit. For the admin, the first thing the admin will do is make sure for ID card code scan system runs smoothly. The user will issue an ID card code for entry and exit access. Our project is very important for users because it can simplify their affair by saving time when registering for vehicle entry and exit by using a digital vehicle entry and exit verification system at the Polytechnic, such as scanning ID card currently. In addition, by using this method, it can also reduce the congestion in front of the main entrance of the Polytechnic because the process that need to be taken is only a short time. Next, the system can detect the number of vehicles in the parking lot and the number of vehicles leave the Polytechnic. This makes it easier for user to park their vehicle without having a search for a car park for a long time. This can prevent theft or damage to vehicle in the Polytechnic area by irresponsible individual. Parking and vehicle control approach on campus. First is vehicle sticker. Vehicle sticker is another way for a campus to manage their parking place of the campus. Students are required to submit their illegal document for the staff, and then the staff will issue the car sticker by considering several factors. There are several terms and conditions that a car sticker holder must adhere to for the staff or management team to minimize any issue that a student may bring to campus. Sticker is lightweight and only needs a little amount of material to build it. Printing it cheaply is another benefit of the car sticker. Difficult for a campus administrator to determine the number of cars currently present on the premise. That's all for me. I will pass it to Nurhazira.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurhazira binti Abdul Rasa. My method number is 30DDT20F2010. Furthermore, the access card should be placed as close as possible with the scan place. In addition, the reader box will display a light indicating whether the card has a read success or not. Open the gate may result in the access card out of snake. Therefore, there will be a fee is a charge for the participant to recognize to access card. Access advantage card allow administrator to track in intra-campus traffic auto hazard by the administrator know whether there are still empty parking space in the campus or not. Not only that, the access card will reduce the workload of the security guard, where the security guard only must control the traffic inside the campus of looking for the car with whether you have a permit card to enter or not. In addition, the disadvantage of the implementing access card a high cost compared of the approaches by implementing card access card. There is required to buy some hardware such as a barrier door, access card reader, access card, and so on. For the existing parking and vehicular control website. System description. The vehicle entry and exit verification system is designed to facilitate all users and ensure the safety of the passengers involved. Among the main scope in the vehicle entry and exit system, the security guard who needs to be responsible for the implementation of the vehicle entry and exit system, that user only needs to scan the student or staff ID card to enter insert information. Therefore, the system can access and send information to admin and security guard. This system can track the movement of the vehicle that come to go every day and know the number of the vehicle. System website www.eparking.gov.com. Advantage for the system: hand-free operations, rolling access available, vehicle code tracker. Number 2 is unique identification code and tag for the each vehicle. For the advantages is a user need to return if the ID card is left behind. This is the interface for the system e-parking. First page has a home page e-parking and then have a detail about information, parking lot, contact us, setting and button sign up or login. For the next page is a sign up. The user need to enter information such as first name, last name, ID card, phone number, password. User should be enter the sign up. After sign up, user have to login the page and enter username and password. Select user category and login. Next page, user also need to fill in the user information such as a name, ID card, plate number, type of vehicle, license type, data of the registration, and enter the button set. The system will display vacancies for the available parking space for the user to see. For the contact us, user can contact because have any problem at the phone number or email. For the last one is the user setting. Can choose any language the user want, and the user can press the button logout. In the contact diagram, this is the process data flow and external entity. First is the process 0 send, system vehicle entry and exit, come in, out. The data flow for the user to system is register and login the system. Checking parking available and confirm parking lot. By the data flow of the system to the user, that the system will display can verify the information. In addition, data flow for the admin to the system is generate report about information, while the data flow the system to admin is the detail about information. Finally, the security guard data flow to system security guard in the detail about parking. From the context diagram avoid, there are three entities invalid in the vehicle entry and exit system. Namely is admin, and then user and security guard. Information confirmation, detail, and parking space will be given to user. For admin, the flow of the data in the out is the same as for user. Admin will provide into the system from the registration process or lodging and generate report about user information. The security guard will prepare the system from the lodging process and manage the parking lot. Today, I want to explain about DFT, data flow diagram. These are data flow entity have a user, then for user enter for the sign up and lodging for the register the system and fill information to the data store and send it to the general report process to the admin. Next, the user will get information about the available parking space. The process will check available parking space. Next, the data store is the available parking space. After that, the user enter the detail of the parking lot and the process of checking the available parking lot. Then the data store is the available parking lot. The user enter information about the parking lot and confirm the parking lot. After verifying the parking lot, the data store will provide the data to process to manage the parking lot. And provide information about the parking lot to the security guard about the detail of the parking lot.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Putri Aisyah binti Muhammad Samsuri, my metric number 30DDT20F2050. I would like to present mini project 2. Title, methodology, the waterfall model has 6 stages. The first is requirement gathering and analysis. The second is system design. The third is implementation. The fourth is the testing. The fifth is deployment of the system. And the last is maintenance. First, requirement gathering and analysis. This is the first phase in waterfall model where information gathering occurs by evaluating existing problem faced by PSNZA community, especially the security department. An idea to develop the system is then applied, and the problem of using manual system for vehicle monitoring is analyzed along with discussed plan of development. Completing this phase will allow the first project objective to be fulfilled. Second, system design. This is the stage where the basic layout design and functionality as per the system plan is proposed. The design will cover and visual basic application system interface, utilizing the interface guideline for different state of device. A fitting user interface (UI) outline is daily. This rule can guarantee application compatibility of different platforms and produce UI that match profiling standard. After completing this phase and the implementation phase, the second project objective can be attained. Third, implementation. This is the phase for the development of the system after the design phase has accomplished some progress. To check for the functionality, suspension, and servers, to give understanding of the work scope, a working model is produced. The composite prototype is made to work. After completing the first and the system design first, the second project objective can be attained. For testing, this is the phase for testing to find any bugs to be fixed after the working system prototype is produced. Any improvement will also be analyzed in this phase based on the result of testing the system. After completing this phase and the deployment of system space, the third project objective can be attained. Fifth, deployment of system. After testing the system, prototype, and make improvement, the system is finally released on live. The PSNZA security department staff will be trained to use the system and it will be deployed for use. The third project objective can be assessed when completing testing phase and this phase. Last, maintenance. This is the last phase in developing the system where the user of the system, which is PSNZA security department staff, will use the system effectively and manage its will to prevent error and problem. Proper maintenance of the system will provide smooth process of achieve the third project objective. Every phase in the waterfall model is done, which is encases period of time that has been planned on the early development process. The Gantt chart of the timestamp in system development can be defined on appendix. After all of the phase in the system development model have been complete, then the objective of this project will be achieved. For Gantt chart have planning, analysis, design, development, integration, and testing. Last, implementation and maintenance. Cost planning. There are two types of costs, which is a tangible and intangible cost that are in this project. For tangible cost, requirement computer cost 2,500. Requirement auto parking message scanner cost 3,000. Requirement smart card reader 119. Internet use 1,200. Cost electric 2,100. Last maintenance 519. For intangible costs may be easy to identify but difficult to measure. Example, loss experience and potential moral of security guard to handle a lower work of student that to lay off work replaced by machine. Conclusion. Previously, many of the people are more relying on the paper to write down those important information that are needed for them. But nowadays, due to the advancement of technology, the technology are able to reduce many problems or workload that had been involved in our daily life. The purpose website application are able to providing a new zoning approach for admin to ensure the parking place in the PSNZA campus are fully utilized. Visually, the previous method are not fully utilized due to many parking zones are left empty but other parking zones are full at all the time. Not only that, by implementing the barricade, they are allow the mobile application to provide an extra feature which is allow the user to keep track the parking place left for students.